Good morning, Year 6. Hopefully you're watching this bright and early, at least after the check-in at 9:30, because we need to prepare for live interaction. I'm really keen to see how maths might work with us all together. So you on Zoom, me on Zoom, hopefully Mrs. Robinson as well, and finding a way to for me to ask questions, for you to answer them, give your opinion, and maybe over time people can chip in and challenge, add and clarify, just like we do in class. So this recording is really short. What you need to do though is you do need to prepare for the 10 o'clock lesson. So I'm going to share my screen and explain what you need to do. So getting ready for Maths Live this morning, Friday morning at 10 o'clock. I need everybody there. So it's a full class, everybody on Zoom, everybody participating, and it's going to be absolutely brilliant. When you come for the live lesson, we need to answer these tough 10 questions. It's really important, therefore, that you come along with your answers that you worked out the other day, ready to share, ready to explain your reasoning and understanding. This is the other tough 10, exactly the same, going through the answers. If we find that there's an answer that you disagree with, you challenge it, and we have full success together. And remember that we've got the Buzzy Bee Maths going through it. I will try and write on it if that's at all possible. If not, we may have to do it verbally. I will see how it goes. I will try my very best, but you must be ready to have answers and a contribution. Just reminding you of the other maths questions, the division. We'll be looking for the arithmetic practice. We'll be looking for the answers to the question and the use of the mathematical language. And finally, just reminding you of this one as well. So 29 members of the class, all on Zoom at 10 o'clock, fully participating in order to share and bring some life to this mathematics this week. Now, some of you, you've got a little bit of time because you've prepared, you've done the lesson yesterday, you have all your answers, you're well prepared, you've seen the Zoom code, and you want to do some mathematics while you're waiting for 10 o'clock. So here we go, let's do some learning. So I picked out a flashback 4 for you. Remember to do the Roman numeral. We've got the calculation. How do you times two fractions? Working out a missing number. 10 less than 1009. And how many meters are equal to 100 kilometers? Have a go. How did you do? What was the methods that you used? Are you correct? If you're incorrect, why is that? No silly mistakes, mind, because we're going for full accuracy. Is it a case that you're not quite sure what to do yet? If you look at question 1, we're going to be doing quite a lot of learning about fractions very soon, as soon as next week, in fact. With the last question, question 4, we've got the kilometers. So how many meters equals 1 kilometer? Yep, it's 1,000. So if you know that, then you can work it out. Can anyone tell me that Roman numeral? Can't quite hear you. I'll tell you what we do. When we meet on live, can someone please tell me that Roman numeral? I'm a little bit stuck on it. CCLXXX. But I know I can rely on you guys. Here's a tough 10 challenge. So if it's still not quite 10 o'clock and you're fully prepared, you've gone through the flashback, you've got all your answers to the previous work, you're ready to share, you can go whizzing through this tough 10, I'm sure. I wonder how quickly you can do it. Finally, here's a reminder. Live maths on Zoom, 10 a.m. this morning, Friday the 8th of January, and whole class, please. Whole class attendance, whole class participation. And for this session, please, no fancy backgrounds, no sunglasses, full mathematical brains and ready to participate and extend our learning. So there we go, quite a short video today. And if you're really adept and quick at your arithmetic, you're all ready. You might even have time to do a little bit of wake and shake, a little bit of body movement before we come together at 10 o'clock. See you soon, and take care.